What's up, Texas Jungle fans? I appreciate y'all. Hey, listen, I've been out with the back injury for the last 2 weeks, probably going on 3 weeks now. You guys are way overdue a catch and cook video, so I will try to post everything that I have for you guys, but it's obviously not going to be what you guys are longing for, which is the straight up hardcore gangsta catch clean cooks. But I promise you it's coming, so y'all hang in there for me. I appreciate y'all. Enjoy some of the videos I send your way. Just a couple random stuff of Texas Jungle back at home, backyard moments, aquaponics, just whatever we're doing, we're showing it to you. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Appreciate y'all. God bless you. Go back and watch all the videos, by the way. I have, I think, almost 250 videos, 230 for sure. But y'all check them out. Texas Jungle, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Keep doing that in my ear, bro.
You want to go?
Hey, buddy. The day that we got our piggy, there's some pig right here. Some pig. That spider showed up. And that spider's been here ever since. Razor's looking good, isn't he?
Charlotte's Web. That looks so delicious. Wow, look at the flowers. Look at those flowers. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Wow, nice one. That's maize or millet, I think. Is it good?
We should catch some of these fish, yo.
This stuff is good.
Interesting. What it is? Taste it. Take a bite of that.
Oh, it tastes
Like an onion?
yeah, like onion.
Yeah.
It's an onion.
It's a leek.
What's a leek?
A leek. It's like a shallot. It's like a shallot. It's like an onion. A type of an onion. Green onion. Okay, stop chewing on my plants, crazy lady. What does this smell and taste like to you? No, that one over there.
Rosemary.
Rosemary?
I don't know what this tastes like.
It's not supposed to be eaten. It's just a plant. All right, let's go get a new puppy. That's her? Yeah, she's tiny. Ori, look how small she is. She is tiny.
How is she that small?
How'd she get so small? Hey, puppy. What?
Baby, so tiny. Come here, come here.
That's where we're going, Ori.
What baby?
Hey! All right. He's scared. Come on, Papa. Serena, whatever you do not drop. Hey, puppy. Tex, what do you think, Tex? Good. Good. Good boy, Tex. Good boy. You got a puppy? Hey, puppy. Take him to the grass. Come on, Blue Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue Blue. Come on, Blue Blue. Hi, Blue Blue. That's a new puppy, guys. Good boys. Good boys. All right, we stopped at Buc-ee's to get some food, and then we're gonna stay at the La Quinta hotel right over there after we grab some food. Look at you. All right, we're here at Surfside Beach. Leave only footprints. Pick up your trash. How you doing? It's Texas' first time at the beach, and it's also Blue's first time. Hey, Blue! Watch out for Uncle Jordan. Still crowded. Wow. Surfside. Tex, you can't drink this water, buddy. You can't drink that. That's salt. What do you think? That's salt water. Windy. Careful. Tex, come on. What do you think, buddy? I think he's got a fish on there. What do you think, Blue? What do you think? Come on, Tex. Yeah, boy. Come on, Tex. Look at him. I wonder what he thinks of salt water. You like that beach, buddy? I guess the tide's going up. Sorry. First time on the beach. He's taking a grab of water. Texas, what are you doing, man? You take a crap in the water? His name is Blue.
Yes, of course.
He's Blue.
Can I get some water?
Sure. That's Tex. Tex. They're both blue lace. They're both Texas State dogs, blue lacy. The small one, 7 weeks, almost 8 weeks. We just got him yesterday from Bay City. Everybody's enjoying the dogs. Blue lacy? Really? You had one? Oh, yeah. Wait, I thought you didn't know you had one. Yeah, no, we had one. Yeah. Yeah, Texas has one, for sure. No, that's also blue lacy. That's actually the original color, but they can come in red or tricolor. They're both blue lacies. Blue lacy. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. Oh, that's about as big as they get. Yeah. Like a small lamb. What do you think, Tex? Go get him. What's wrong, Blue? That's fun, Ori. Look. Good old Galveston. This is Surfside, guys. This is not Galveston Bay. This is Surfside. nice setup right there. That truck and that camper. Right, Ori?
What?
See that truck and that camper? It's a nice setup. Yeah, that's a nice setup. People fishing on the beach. Jordan chilling, drinking a beer. Hey guys, what's up, y'all? Just enjoying a little surfside. Pretty close to Galveston, guys. We're kind of Galveston Bay, but we're really more like Surfside. We're about 30 minutes away, maybe 40 minutes away. It's very windy. Probably always windy here. Everybody just enjoying himself. I like that. That comes off the Jeep. That looks neat. It's like a little tarp off the Jeep. That's awesome. I like that setup. That's a nice setup. Yeah, we came in late last night. Got a hotel room close by. Pretty tired. Like cornhole. What's wrong, buddy? You done? Guess that's one of them saltwater catfish. It's like a saltwater catfish. Check, get off that. Get. Look, Blue. What is that, Blue?
Where do you find it?
Sand crab, I think.
Is that her? Or he's gone.
Get the girls, right there. We're really close to Galveston Bay, guys. This is the Bay Area of Texas, not California. Look at that little cutie. That's awesome.
It's her first time coming here.
Very first time. Same thing with Blue. Very first time. You love that puppy? Isn't he cute? Look at his face. You see his face. It's just like a sad looking, like a cute little blue-eyed. Not a sweet baby. What a sweet baby, right? Jace, you love that baby? Ruthie, you love that baby? But he just went like and flopped right on her. Oh, he likes you. All right, y'all. We gotta start a fire. Oh, looky here. Are y'all supporting the ducks? I need to be supporting the ducks too. We're gonna be duck hunting this year. Show these. All right, hey, 2021, 2022 is gonna be epic with hunting. Duck, deer, hog, anything you can think of. We're gonna feed the family. We're gonna eat good. Look right here. Right here. You know what this is? This is deer klobas. No, actually it's not even klobas. We do have klobas, but this is actual brats that was made out of deer, and then it's used some pig skin on the outside. So I'm excited about this. We're gonna throw that on.
I'm eating a pop.
What about
I'm
you,
eating
Ethan?
pop.
What are you doing, Ethan?
Pop.
Oh yeah, I'll take a look.
Pop.
Puts it right here, y'all. Don't put it where your tag up here. We won't be able to pull your tag off. They make it where it's not really quite where it needs to be. So just put it right there. It'll cover your signature a little bit, but at least the signature's there. Game wardens see that and they're happy.
The kids.
Oh yeah, the kids. Yeah, thank you. We're good. Thank you, that's plenty. Woo-hoo. Yeah, plenty of wood. So once that burns, it becomes coal. We're gonna put these frozen brats on this little grill right here. So I think you can get this right now for 60 bucks at Buc-ee's. And then we'll be able to cook these frozen. Don't matter, it'll cook. Ethan, that's a sweet puppy. Thank you. Now go ask mom for peppers and onions. Oh, that's empty. That's his, Uncle Jordan. Oh man, we got some onions, hot dogs right here. Brats. So they thawed out under here perfectly. And right now they're just getting a nice smoke. We're gonna close this, they'll get some heat. Onions are looking perfection. Everything's gonna be delicious. I'm excited about that. I missed my family, but I need a good meal tonight. And Mama does not want to cook, so that's what we're doing. This is from Buc-ee's and it's absolutely worked perfect. Check this out. Keeps everything warm, cooks everything nicely. I even kept the tag on there so y'all can see where it's from. It's one of those old country barbecue pits. Okay, they might have the new version now, but the new version is probably not this heavy duty. I have an extra pan that I put in here just so I can do stuff like onions, and when things are ready, I can take them off. I like this drum that I put over the stump. It acts like just a perfect thing to hold the pit, and I don't have to worry about it catching on fire or anything crazy. So I got the onions and the hot dogs, and now we're gonna lay out the deer sausages. The deer sausages, who does not like deer sausage? This is actually brats, not sausage, so I don't wanna offend you brat connoisseurs. But yeah, that's looking good. That's looking positive for real. Just trying to flip it right there and put everything on some even heat. And we got perfect coals and oak tree. And we got some perfect appetizers and food for the kids. Hot dogs, onions, of course some brats. I hope she has some jalapenos and sauerkraut. And of course, 2 cold heinies to go to boot. God bless America, y'all. God bless Germany or Finland, wherever this is from, Belgium.